Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Hello, hello. How was your holiday weekend? Good morning, guys. Okay. Good morning, guys. I took some shorts on gold. I'm looking for continuation lower, so don't mind to enter again. So I shorted from here also down to here. But once again, still would like to see lower. I hope it's going to retrace back to this area, back to premium, then short to New York midnight open. That's my plan, waiting for this. Nice dress today? Yeah. I mean, let's vote right now, guys. Like this, or like this, or like this. We have 3 options. Which you like? Which one you like more? I like something between this one, but I guess that one is better, right? Number 2. Yeah, I agree with you. I like this more as well. Up. And here we are. Last one. It's hard to see my hair because of that. We can actually mix, like. Yeah, great idea, but yeah, just no. Nice nail color, yeah. It's a bit like Christmas tree here and Santa dress here. It's short dress. It's short dress for short setup, and it's short dress as well. So guys, how are you doing? Let's see if it's going to trace to this fair value gap, and we'll offer another OB to short down to New York midnight open. So I shorted down this already, but I would like to enter again. I got like 18 points or so. Yeah, it was... How many mic? It wasn't a lot of micros, guys. Let's check. I don't remember. Maybe 4. Yeah, 4 micros, guys. Made some money today. On TradingView and Lucid. So far, I'm going to continue trading my Apex accounts today and TPT, Take Profit Trader, because no reason to trade Lucid and TradingView since base hit. I'm going to disconnect these accounts, I guess. I will just trade Apex with you guys, and I will trade Take Profit Trader today as well. Yesterday happened like... You know what happened yesterday? Like, big oops. I received emails that my fund accounts closed. I was like, what? And Funding 6 closed my fund accounts because I didn't trade this for more than 7 days. I was like, 7 days? It was holiday. So what is supposed to do? So they closed my all fund accounts. I was like, perfect. What can be better than this? So right now, I don't have Funding 6 anymore because of the inactivity rule. What did I actually say? Let me read email. They said... Where is the email? It was yesterday. Trading rule breached. Maximum days of trading inactivity exceeded. no comments, guys. 7 days inactivity rule is extremely stupid rule, in my opinion. I had 3 funding 6 accounts. I mean, I don't have any more. I'm not going to buy more. 7 days of no trades. I mean, like, are you kidding me? And yesterday was last day when I had to trade. Of course, it's my mistake. I cannot blame funding 6 for this. But it was a bit annoying because, like, 7 days, obviously, I wasn't able to trade during last week. I wasn't able to sit in front of my computer. But it's fine. Just going to trade without funding ticks. It's perfectly fine. By the way, funding ticks, I hate their new rules, obviously, but those accounts were good. They were built enough and good payouts. I mean, like, no complaints. Yeah, I trade Tradify daily and Lucid daily, but I didn't trade funding ticks. Once again, I'm not blaming funding ticks. It's my fault 101%. My husband like, let's talk about something. Right on stream. Well. I remember I was trading funding ticks vals for the long time because those accounts were like, when we have BS price action, I'm going to trade evaluations. And I suddenly, like, I was like, I pass these accounts. And they close this. A bit painful. Okay, guys, let's focus right now on price action. What do you expect to get from indices? Because once again, I'm going to trade today again, like, no complaints. Even after my winning trade, I'm just going to trade in other accounts. Apex leader account. Yeah, we'll trade 20 Apex plus 3 TPT. Full port trade on NQ. Peter, come on. NQ, full port. What are you talking about? Now we will. I will check gold again. If it's going to respect premium rate, it can be fair value gap. It can be slightly higher. I can short down to New York midnight open. It's my plan. For ES and NQ, guys, yesterday it was BS price action and I managed to win. So on Tradify TV, I was waiting for long from when it was. It was, yeah, from here. So I was waiting for the break above 10 AM open and I longed this one, this leg up. I shorted, I understand why it's 15-minute chart. Now it makes sense why I cannot see price action. I was in long here, this leg up. I was shorting down here. You remember Ninja Trader TV yesterday? Break even. I shorted again here to my TP. So I got 1 break even, 2 wins. On gold, I was shorting twice as well. It was my short. Got break even. I don't know why. Don't even ask about break even because I decided to move at break even for 0 reason. Shorted down again. So 2 break evens and 3 wins yesterday. It's a lot. 5 trades yesterday. That's a lot. And today so far 1 trade, but I'm waiting for another setup. You know, it's a bit hard to talk about bias, I would say, but since ES balanced daily fair value gap, probably. My plan is going to be break above New York midnight open, retest long. I wouldn't long now, but I would wait for retest New York midnight open after we broke this level and then long. So what do you think about this? And of course, guys, as always, let's do some giveaways. Oh, by the way, great idea. I saw lots of people keep trading right now, started trading silver. Let's try as well. Let's add, yeah, guys, let's check silver today as well. Something. Let's delete. I don't need this. Just trying to understand what I would like to see from silver. 1 second. Open. Okay, that's enough for daily on the weekly chart. You know, let's talk about weekly candlestick right here. Feels like it's going to be a bit, it will go higher a little bit. So what I would do, probably I would retest weekly open again on silver. Right? Let's see. So probably we'll look for longs to aim for 80. So basically weekly open. Yeah, we completely balance this volume imbalance. Feels good about longs. We didn't touch this daily fair value gap, but I guess that's perfectly fine. That's daily chart. Yeah, guys. If I will see setup, I will trade micro silver. So far, flat candle well. And we inverted this fair value gap. I know looks... It doesn't look bad to look for longs back to 80. Maybe I'm asking too much. What's the average move for the day? Oh, actually possible to get. If it's around like $4, yeah, it's possible to get this, I guess, today. Yeah, let's do top-down analysis, at least to understand where market is going. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Who just joined? Good morning. We're doing top-down analysis for different instruments now. Looking at hourly. Hourly looks like perfect first stage of accumulation of market maker buy model. I like this intermediate term low here. Sweep. Nice. Hourly OB perfect. Going to highlight this untapped fair value gap on 1 hour chart as well. Okay. What else? So, if it really wants to be market maker buy model, what we can do? Retest this hourly fair value gap long. Yeah, I kind of like this untapped fair value gap. So at this point, gold also can drop lower to New York midnight open. We will look for longs. Yeah, I guess that's my plan for now on silver. On gold, you know my plan. I would like to see the test of New York midnight open. So if it's going to play out, I don't want to trade silver today. What I will use for my entry, it's going to be 30-minute SIP, 3-minute OB, or hourly SIP, 5-minute OB. But as always, one model, nothing else. Not going to just blend the enter longs. Yeah, gold, if it's going to drop lower, will be brilliant. Like, seriously, guys. My plan, if it's going to respect a fair value gap, will offer inversion, short down to New York midnight open. And Q and ES. We'll look for longs and I'm not going to do like this. We'll look for longs if it's going to break above New York midnight open. We'll drop lower, slightly below to New York midnight open, then below New York midnight open or retest of this level, longs. To aim for a 69, basically 69.70 for our untapped fair value gap. So guys, what do you think about my plans? Yes, gold, silver, worth it? Let's see if it's going to invert, short. We're gonna see. First, would like to see inversion for a value gap. Like, no, didn't ask about order block. Probably, I will wait for. I mean, I already shorted down. I shorted from here all the way down to here, and I'm looking for another trade, but it's going to be another funded account since base hit on Lucid and TradingView. I made almost $600 today already. 5 Lucid and 4 TradingView, 9 accounts. So if it's going to invert, probably I will try to short with you guys. Yeah. Just gonna wait. Not going to be in a rush. Consider once again, here's the target, potential conservative target. It's basically balance of hourly fair value gap, top of hourly fair value gap. But I don't want to see weekly open. Yeah, let's see. MNQ, well, nothing wrong with MNQ, seriously, guys. I had really bad experience with trading NQ. Once again, it's not because of NQ, just because of me, but July and August were extremely hard for me, and I was trading only gold and NQ back to those months, and I blew everything, like almost every single account, like 3 maybe accounts left, and I was making money on gold and I was giving my money back to market on NQ. And honestly, guys, I don't know what was wrong with my trading, because I believe I was trading exactly the same models I trade now on ES, gold, and any other markets. Maybe just, I don't know, like, maybe something happened with me, but psychologically, I cannot come back to NQ. Same happened with silver. I lost more than 4K during one day. Trading silver, and Project X, I was trading TradingView, Lightning Fund accounts. Project X probably doesn't have still micro silver, so I was trading 1 mini contract each time, and my stop loss was at the logical place. It hit stop loss twice, and probably I had to stop, but I saw setup, which was, in my opinion, textbook setup, and it wasn't. So I was down 4K. I ran sold. I don't remember for sure, but it was hard for me. So guys, it is what it is. I was with NQ for 2 years, and it was just okay for me. But this year something changed. So just decided to see if I still would like to trade indices, but I switched to ES. I don't think like silver is better than gold. In my opinion, gold textbook. Textbook price actions there pretty much every single day. Guys, take notes. I already shared this before yesterday, I guess, on both TradingView and NinjaTrader streams. Most of the time, once again, I keep saying this for 2 weeks in a row, but most of the time, you will see entry. Remember I mentioned this yesterday, who was watching me on TradingView or NinjaTrader? You will see an entry. Oops. Oh, Dasha, what are you doing? between 8:20 and 8:25 a.m. Eastern time. So basically 8:20 is market open, right, for gold? But guys, see, 8:20. It's not coincident. I mentioned this 2 weeks ago. Yesterday entry was at 8:21. 2 days ago it was 8:25 or so. Not 2 days ago, last week, I mean. Once again, setup may form before this. Between 8:20 and 8:25, you will see entry, not setup. Entry, it is going to be the test of order block, or we are going to get the closure above below sequence of candles, and you will see entry. So it's not coincident. Okay, yeah, I'm going to show you what time I entry today. But see, 8:20 a.m. 1 second, Lucid, with Tradify, whatever. 8:25. My entry was at 8:25, but as you can see, initial entry had to be here. I was like, I don't want to enter here because probably not going to perfect. It's not going to be perfect risk reward. I'm going to wait for the test of 5 minutes for a value gap, and I will try. So we got retest, we got sweep. I was trying to short. My stop loss was here, and I as you can see, I closed here. So basically at the bottom of our for a value gap. For setup, 5 minute or 3 minute chart. I'm going to make a note. Yeah, you're very welcome. Are you from Russia? From Belarus, but close to this. Don't be sad, don't be sad. Yeah, guys, I'm looking for another trade, so nothing changed. You got this, right? I mean, I'm not market maker to answer your question about why gold doesn't like to take liquidity level. That's why I usually aim for 2R or conservative levels. Really, I understand your gold loves to reverse a couple of points away from liquidity level, but I don't know why. Like, I cannot find logical explanation. So for silver and gold, I'm waiting for the tracement down and longs. So we can actually try to trade this many times, right? So I'm looking for just short down to New York midnight open, maybe slightly above. 2R for this setup is 3 points above New York midnight open. Then if it's going to sweep New York midnight open but will stay above, we'll try to long. It's our plan, my plan at least. And for indices, probably this one. Oh yeah, probably you're right about this, because it's usually supply and demand areas. Probably you're right about this. I think so. How many hours I trade during the day? Well, I pretty much I try to trade on stream. Sometimes if it's like too early, but I see stop, I enter. But I really try my best to trade on stream only. So I was in this trade for like 5 minutes maybe, and I will look for setup with you guys. It's going to be like until 11, and then I will stream during PM session from 1 to 30. That's pretty much it. So I would say I trade less than 3 hours a day. Okay, 3 hours a day. 3 hours a day. But I don't feel like I trade like every like entire day. No, not really. Sometimes when I'm waiting for a TradeFi stream, I'm just sitting in the room, so waiting for my turn. I can trade. Because I'm sitting, I'm waiting, I'm watching charts. But I'm trying to stay away from charts between 11 and 1, like really trying. Today I have planned to record video, so I'm going to record video after 11, so I'm going to finish early to record the video. You know, I don't use fair value gaps for entries. And I already discussed this before. I'm doing something wrong probably with this one, but I know how to trade fair value gaps well. So it often stops me out when I'm trying to enter off fair value gap. So I prefer order blocks. It's personal preference. So to say what is better, first present fair value gap at 8:30 or 9:30, it's really hard for me because I don't know. I mean, it's true, nothing luck. You entered based on model. 2R, perfect, amazing, you did an amazing job with this trade, right? So tomorrow is New Year. As I mentioned before, I celebrate New Year. It's our tradition to celebrate New Year, so I'm not going to stream tomorrow because I'm going to cook. Like, no choice. And my kids is going to be in daycare, so it's perfect time to prepare for New Year. So I'm going to spend my time on this. But today I'm going to stream both sessions. But I'm going to cook. I will take a picture. I'm not going to cook a lot because it's only for me, my husband, and probably my kids not going to eat this. Of course, salads. I'm not going to do a lot. I'm not going to cook a lot because I know we are not going to eat all of this. Just a little bit of each. Do you have a discount code for Replikanto? I do have. If you want to use, you can get 20%, 1 second. And thank you so much. Gold kind of stuck right now, but once again, really don't mind to get the test of New York midnight open first. Gallops, I mean, not really. My kids don't like to eat this. They can only eat meat from there. So, What is entry confirmation? Did you watch my video about models that trade? My husband only can comment what I'm cooking, how I'm cut some stuff. It's too big, it's too small. So 13 minutes left, guys. I do like how price trying to display this 5-minute fair value gap, but honestly, I don't like that there is no speed here, like displacement. I would try to short this. Like 1-to-1. It's GC, it's basically futures. All I would like to see is the test of New York midnight open, guys. What do you think about this? Is it realistic to get? Or I'm asking too much? I would like to get some shorts. Let's see. It's just not perfect risk reward. Actually, 1.5, not that bad. Let's check silver 1 second. Silver also trying to retrace down. I'm looking for 15-minute fair value gap on silver, so I hope it's going to be realistic to drop to New York midnight open. I don't know. See, kind of just consolidating right now. What time is this? 8:19. I mean 9:19. Looks good, but from the other side, not really. Let's see, if it's going to displace, I will try. This like 3 micros probably. Because pretty much big risk here. Don't want to risk more than 300. If it's going to displace, I probably will try this. Yeah, I will aim for 43.81. I don't see reason not to drop. But once again, I'm not expecting to get huge sell-off. I mean, everything can happen, right? I'm just waiting for the test of New York with net open, probably. We will see. If it's going to displace, I may try short. I think so. Not going to be in rush. Yeah, same for silver. Would like to sit down. I set alert, so maybe we will close early if silver is going to hit hourly fair value gap first. No. Guys, who is shorting gold? Who is trying to long? Share your opinion about this. Because I don't feel like I'm bearish on gold. What I would like to see is just a retracement down. So I'm not in this trade just yet. For your information, I'm looking for short. I'm going to delete this for now, so we'll just show you once I enter the trade. And now I'm just thinking about confirmation because we got the reaction from 5-minute fair value gap, right? We have. I need to switch on 5-minute chart. Fair value gap, hourly sweep. Inverted 30-minute fair value gap. Like some retracement down makes sense to me. Good morning. Timing is right. It's okay. It's fine. So I cannot say that gold has macro time, or how to call this. I wouldn't say so. 44.11 is your short entry. We're gonna see. So yeah, not in a rush. I'm just waiting for short. $44.11. What do you see at 44.11? Maybe I'm missing something. Like retest of the stream on OB? No. Yeah, today is like, this week is holiday week. I'm not sure if lots of people going to trade today. But I'm going to do. I already made some money today, but I don't mind to make more. Don't want to lose more. Yeah, market is going to open soon, so we will see if we're going to get perfect setup. Yeah, Alan, looking for short as well. I would say sold entry. Stop. Okay, good stop. TP 78. Would like to see. I would like to see 381. Yeah, pretty much same TP, but I'm not in trade yet. We'll enter displacement. I guess we are going to have same entries. Not perfect risk reward, but if I'm going to try with 3 micros, it's not going to be painful. Okay, all right. I see nothing good on silver, for example, to trade short now, but I would like to see lower. Something like this, I guess. What accounts I have to trade? Really, I didn't have a lot. Yeah, around like 1.5, 1.4 R, according to my calculations, if I'm going to enter here. Just 2 micros. Yeah, maybe I will enter like 2, 3 micros as well. Not worth it. I already got a short on gold for 20 points. I shorted from... It was 5-minute short. I shorted from here. How many points I got? 19. Yeah, trade what works better for you. Like, nothing wrong about this. If everyone trade NQ and yes, this doesn't mean like you need to trade this as well, right? Market is going to open once again. If gold is not going to offer anything, we will trade yes. First time here. Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. So far, quite buoyant price action, but already got 1 win. Once you get another win. Yeah, if it's going to this place, I will just try to short. Will put my stop loss probably at top of this fair value gap. Not sure yet. And I will aim for 81.3. But as you can see, still flat. I just don't see entry, just consolidation. Which is perfectly fine, like no complaints. I will show you so. Yes, I took 1 trade. I already showed before. But yeah, took 1. Trade. 4 micros on this trade. Entered on 5-minute chart, as you can see. The test of fair value gap closed at the bottom of our fair value gap. Made didn't take entire screenshot because it was huge photo, but it's over. How much I made? Like almost 600 on Lucid straight to funded and TradingView straight to funded. DTFX concept. I would say I used to. Okay, I was trying to trade DTFX concept because I was watching every single video, David video, but I would say I don't use this a lot in my trading now. Probably I don't use this at all, but it definitely works. Just for scalps, I would say. Oh, you're very welcome. I'm happy it's helpful. Let's switch on yes. Okay. I'm going to move like this, okay, guys? So okay, it left some equal. Let me switch on 3-minute chart. I don't need 5 right now. Did not offer sweep here, so we could short right at the open to London low. Did not offer this one. Let me switch on micro, yes. Gold do nothing that I would like to get here, to trade here, so we will see. Not going to be in rush. A bit choppy on hourly chart, I guess that's fine. Market is open, guys. Once again, still consolidation, nothing changed. Your creator funded now website. Yes, it's me. How many charts? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 charts right now open. It's silver, gold, SPX, and ES chart, and NQ, obviously. Who is going to offer setup for me? Who is going to be first? Who is going to be first? Yes, or gold. Or we will try to trade silver, guys. But guys, I didn't trade silver for a long time. I will trade just micro if I will see setup. Just because I would like to execute something. Okay, I'm going to disconnect this one. I'm connecting that one. My plan remains the same, so we're still trying to respect fair value gap on 5. I still would like to see the test of New York Midnight Open for longs. Looking for short. Trying to displace, but not enough yet. Ignoring the yes and Q because market just opened. Okay, trying to display. This is exactly what I want to see. If 4 micros, $400 risk. But to make 800 sounds like a deal. Trying to display it here. To switch on 3-minute chart. Yeah. See the displacement? That's exactly. I'm not going to enter obviously here anymore. Silver should drop lower. One minute left on this candle. Good displacement. I'm actually kind of would like to try this. Let me open silver another screen because I know it to jump between 2 screens. I guess I want to try this on evaluation than on funded. 5-minute chart. Yeah, I'm going to connect the vals right now. Flex the vals from Lucid because yeah, I don't want to trade this on funded. But I would like to try. Yeah. So connected, guys, evaluation accounts to try. Don't want to trade this on my funded. See, it's evals. My flex evaluation accounts, my funded safe. Not going to trade them. Let's try. How many? I entered 4 micros, guys. Just to try. I'm okay to enter again. This account's up enough to risk. Sorry, guys. Some rejection block. Some rejection block on 5. I really funded for maybe like silver bullet or so. So we have rejection block at 84. It can be, by the way, partial. We'll take partial at 1-1, I guess. Yeah, pretty much. So I'm risking 7.8. I will take just some off at 1-1 if it's going to drop there, because I'm trying to pass the evals, so I don't need like a lot to pass them anymore. So yeah, let's try. So once again, first TP is just 1 hour to see if it's going to drop there. Final TP is, our original TP is 81. I put slightly higher, but it's going to be 81.3. I'm just maybe going to reframe it or so. So we got, you can see my chart or not. So we got retest of our then tapped fair value gap again. My stop loss basically at the top of 5-minute fair value gap. We have, like, once again, we definitely have room to go lower. Look at silver, guys. Silver approaching this 15. No, why I keep saying 15-minute fair value gap? It's not 15-minute fair value gap, but that's hourly fair value gap. So once again, we may close once silver will hit this level, maybe. Or we will see once again. I use a Replikanto to copy my trades like this. I copy my vals now, but yeah. I just pick leader account and pick account that I would like to copy. Also, guys, look, we got 5-minute OB here. Stop loss is actually at the right place. Stop loss at the top of 5-minute order block right now. Kind of choppy, but I guess that's fine. Still would like to see silver slightly lower. I'm in with 4 micros. I'm not sure if you can see this clearly. And it's a val trade, guys. Trading my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5? Yeah. 5 flex evals, 150k evals. Not touching my fund account since I made my money there today. But I would like to make some money on eval as well. I'm going to keep my silver open because it's very important for me. This copier, no, I bought this copier 2 years ago, I guess. Let's see if silver is going to hit fair value gap. Silver's dropping, yeah, it's on my screen right now. See this hourly fair value gap on silver? That's, yeah, guys, let's trail to break even here. I will take 1 more contract off once we hit this hourly fair value gap. We'll just leave the runner. Hit this, please. How many lucid? I have 5 evals, 5 funded. pretty solid entry, right? So like no complaints. Oh, you're very welcome. We did this analysis together, so we did just well today. Yeah, Alan, I took 2 off because I entered for micros. So basically this setup is continuation setup. 2 are not completed based on previous setup. So it's my second trade on gold today. Overall, my second trade. Let's open silver. Silver, hit this pair value. Let's trail stop loss, I guess, a little bit more. See this 84 level? I'm going to put another target there. It's a rejection block. And let's leave the rest to regional TP. I'm up 12 points. Are you kidding me? I just saw that. Okay. Going to trail more. Come on. Okay, silver, guys, silver hit level. We can cut now, but it's 1 micro left. See, 1 micro left. Let's see if it's going to hit final TP. How many? We got 1.4 hour trade. Nice. Final TP, guys, 81.3, but I put 81.5 just for my safe. And out. And out. What can be better than this? I don't know. How to trade my Apex accounts. $500 could be better. Yeah, target hit. We did well. See analysis? See analysis? Perfect. On point. And it's 9:41. We're done for the day. I made 500 as well. On my funded and not funded. Daniel, trail your stop loss. And 2 are hit from a regional target. It's my it was, but here's a see my initial trade, first trade. I wish I hold longer on this funded. How much did I risk? How much did I risk? I don't remember. It's like 300? 290? Don't remember. Guys, you will notice when we have BS price action on indices, gold moves so well. See silver? Trapping. But once again, I prefer to trade gold. Guys, just quick update. How many points we got total? Like almost 20, right? And 4 micros. Feels like nothing, right? But $500, 4 micros. Such a beautiful trade to end the year, right? Where I wanted to enter initial, I guess here. I wish I entered early could make more. Well, no complaints, like, still beautiful. Still beautiful. Oh, 300K? How? I can expect longs, definitely, but I would say I kind of would like to see confirmation on silver because I was initially more bullish on silver than on gold. 96. I entered 99. We had pretty much similar entries. I had to enter here, but I entered too late. It's fine. 98. Yeah, like RTY. Perfect. So this is already for a value gap. I'm just thinking what I would like to get to talk about reversal on silver. Really hard to talk about this yet. See, it's not even like conversion here. Completely balanced move down. I don't know yet about confirmation for longs. I'm gonna wait, I guess. It's really hard to long when we see like such a like solid drop, right? I mean, for now, what I can see, guys, we keep dropping. Obviously, it's not long. But as I said before, if we are going to stay above New York midnight open after sweeping this level, it can be long. But once we will break this level with displacement, forget about this. Probably will drop lower. London low? Asia low maybe no, but I don't know yet. We will see. Flex evals are great evals. I mean, overall, flex plan is great simply because they don't have buffer. But I'm still with my straight to funded. I have select with Tradify as well, past accounts, but I still have light and funded with Tradify. So no reason for me just blow them when... I mean, I'm trying to increase my size somehow, but these accounts like Tradify, Lightning Funded, Straight to Funded, and Lucy Straight to Funded, they're perfect for me because they build enough to take payouts from there, keep taking payouts from them. But I have past select plans. I even have like one new eval, select eval with Tradify. But honestly, I was thinking about like, let me try to blow these accounts to full ports, and I was like, why? Like, no reason for this. You're doing great with them. Like, my consistency are like just perfect now. Once I start doing base hit, I stop caring about like a consistency rule because my consistency rule like solid now across every single account that have consistency rule. Oh wow, it's keep dropping, guys. But still, what I see on NQ, well, I don't really have plan for indices. My plan was I'm gonna look for longest if it's going to break above New York midnight open. But it's chopped so far. Guys, I'm happy we traded gold. Like seriously, instead of watching this garbage price action. We can switch on yes now, but once again, I don't expect to get a lot. Tomorrow, no trading day for me. I'm going to take a break because I have lots of things to do. Today I'm going to... I guess we can finish early today, guys. Hit the like, let's do giveaway before I finish, because I'm going to record new video as well, right after the stream, and between my another stream. I need to record the video. Hit the like, let's do giveaway, let's celebrate New Year and Christmas. Academy 4 candle was starting at 10 a.m. It starts at 9 a.m. Why? Do you use Think or Swim platform for trading futures, or you use TradingView or NinjaTrader? Because I believe Think or Swim has different. Wait a minute, you're watching SPX now? Like, answer some questions. Which platform you use for trading and what instrument you're looking for? Like, looking at. It's SPX maybe? Christmas. You like my accent? Oh, yeah, maybe it's time zone. Also can be the issue. I believe on Thinkorswim platform, 2-hour chart is different than on TradingView, if not mistaken. 4-hour chart also can be different. Answer some questions. Okay, guys, let's back to indices now. I mean, it's our original plan, guys. We're trying to break above New York midnight open. ICT logo video went never. Like, no reason for this. Because I was discussing potential break with displacement above New York midnight open, but this current candle is displacement. I don't know what happened, but we got, yeah, like solid move here. I use pretty much similar strategy on ES. I don't trade in Q, but yeah. Copy trade can be coded. I mean, obviously it can, but I don't know how. FOMC minutes? FOMC minutes tomorrow, right? Or not? Wait, I don't remember. Tuesday, 2 p.m. Today's Tuesday, right? It's going to be today. Yeah, I'm going to stream this FOMC minutes. Chicago PMI today? Okay. So what I like right now is we're trying to break above New York midnight open, but once again, following original plan, we wanted to see displacement above this level, a retest along to this forever value gap. And it's not lots of points, like 10 plus points. You got same camera? Yeah. I need to study this camera more because lots of buttons there. I have no idea how to use them. So, going to watch YouTube. Not today because I'm going to record the video, but probably tomorrow I will spend my time while I'm cooking watching how to use camera. Because it has completely different settings. And lots of buttons there. I have two, see? It's A6700 and A75, right? Did I say this right? Yeah, it was my Christmas gift from my husband. Okay, I have 3 Sony cameras, and I used to use just one camera to take pictures of my kids, like take pictures. And I'm streaming right now on my A6400. I got another one, A6400, this camera is like 7 years old. I guess so. It's like pretty old camera, 7 years old. I got new one 6700. I was like, maybe I'm going to switch this camera to Steam, but so far it doesn't look bad, right? Going to stay with this one. And just, maybe I'm going to use this camera to record some content outside. I will cook some salads, some meat. I want to cook a cake, but then I realized I don't eat sugar, so I cannot cook a cake because I really want to eat this as well, but I don't eat this. And I got A75. It's my gift from my husband once again. Yeah, lots of options here. I need to study them first before taking pictures. 9-year-old. Yeah, I would say it still it works perfectly fine. But, you know, like, technology changes, so need to change as well. More light on my face. I mean, I have 3 lights here, and if I'm going to increase the light, it's going to be bright for my... too bright for my eyes. Of course, 4 or 5 micros, that's pretty much all you need. Yeah, I was asking for this camera. I was asking for A7 IV, I believe, for the long time. And back 2022, I was like, when I will be profitable trader, I'm going to afford to buy this kind of camera. And guys, I'm not going to lie, it was my dream to get this camera because I'm fan of taking photos, different photos. Like I just love it so much. And I was like, when I'm going to be profitable, I will be able to afford this. And my husband said like, it's for you. I was like, wow, because it really was dream. This camera just released, so he made pre-order. And I got new lens as well. So yeah, it's really perfect gift for me, guys. No, 25 point stop loss? That's a lot. So, guys, once again, when you're trying to pick contract size, you need to pick contract size not based on, because like you want to this contract size, based on amount you can afford to lose. For example, if I can afford to lose $300 and my stop loss 25 points, I'm going to trade 1 micro, not 5 micros, right? Yeah, that's what I mean. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. $106 stop loss. It's 25 points. No, that's not normal. You basically risk entire drawdown. No, don't do this. You want to adjust your risk? Okay, I'm going to show you something now. Wait a second. I'm going to connect this first. Do I need this? No, not really. Let me close this. Okay, let me show you something. Not this one, obviously. This one. See? I'm going to send the link right now in the chat, but I'm going to show you how you can use this. 1 second. So we're trading micro gold. We're gonna pick micro gold. So your account size, you set 50K? Let me see your message. Probably yes. 50K, right? So your maximum, okay, you probably have daily loss limit. Let's say $1,250. So if you can afford to risk $300, right? For example, that's all you can risk for the day. Stop loss, you set 106, 25 points. This means all you can do is trade 1 micro, not more. If your risk is $500 per trade, 25 point stop loss, you can trade 2 micros, but it's going to be more than $500 because we have commission, right? But according to this, you can trade maximum 2 micros. Because if you're going to trade 5 micros with risking 25 points, it's over than, basically it's your daily loss limit, right? So send link in the chat if you would like to use this. You can use this with any other instruments like micro ES and Q, M and Q. Like, I hope it makes sense. Yeah, UFG means untapped fair value gap that we never touched. Look at gold, pretty much stuck where we closed. How much time? Basically 1 day. So they send you contract normal next day. Yeah, I'm so happy I can be helpful, guys, actually. Like, seriously. And I already said this before, but I'm going to repeat again. I'm not better trader than you. not even 1% better than you. Like, trust me, I'm exactly the same person, exactly the same trader as you. So what I'm doing right now, just showing how I'm waiting for setup. It does not mean it's going to be profitable setup, obviously, but I'm just showing you how I wait and what I'm waiting for. But guys, exactly same trader as you, nothing changed. Like, you can be exactly same as me, I can be exactly same as you. Look at ES right now. I'm just wondering what should happen for me to enter. Like, really, what I would like to get. What's the difference? Guys, it was like less than $5. I don't remember where I bought this, but maybe Amazon, maybe Target. I don't remember, but it was less than $5. It's for kids. But good for my head. You didn't get perfect caviar for Christmas because you don't have husband, probably, right? That's the difference. It's okay, Jahai. Algo can be changed. Well, I'm not sure about Alga and if it can be changed or not, but I noticed the difference. What we had. Hello, Michael. I noticed the difference that we had in 2022 and 2025. So, I am not sure if it's like Alga. Maybe, once again, what can be another reason? I'm going to tell you now. Another reason can be when you're trying to learn something new over and over again. You're trying to learn today, tomorrow, like in 1 month, you're trying to add new strategies. It makes everything so difficult right after this. I already said this before. I wish I knew less. Mail on the way. Yeah, I sent you some gifts as well, Michael. You should like it. So once again, maybe it's not, I don't know about Alga, like seriously, not going to even comment this. But talking about when you're trying to learn new strategy over and over and over again, you're trying to learn about like different types of fair value gaps, I don't know, like order blocks, whatever, like. You're just trying to overcomplicate everything. So you need to stick to one strategy. It's not joke, guys, it's serious. Like, you need to stick to one strategy because if you're going to learn more over and over again, you probably will not make it because one strategy will tell you long, another strategy will tell you short, and it's hard, right? That's what I mean, guys. Maybe it's not Alga, maybe it's us. That's... It's hot here. Yeah, Michael visits us often, so really appreciate this because we can ask questions. He can be really helpful for us on streams. Sometimes we're waiting for Michael to ask questions. We prepare questions and just waiting for him to visit us. Chris said you are bullish overall. You want to... Okay, what? I'm not sure if I'm bullish. Like, overall, yes, like all-time high is coming, but the question when, right? Because probably we're not going to get a Christmas rally. Is he still here? I know. I'm just thinking if it's going to break above New York midnight open, can we get in trade again? Guys, I already got 2 trades today. It was on different accounts. This trade and this trade. That's what I got. It's rain here. It's, by the way, today is extremely cold. I woke up at 4 a.m. today, went to the gym. It was just like, guys, really cold. Like really cold to go from parking lot to the gym. It was like, I know, like, I know what the temperature is this, but it was 14 degrees in normal 14 degrees, and it was cold, and it feels completely different. Like 14 degrees in Florida feels completely different than 14 degrees, I know, like North Carolina, for example, or like Belarus. It feels completely different. I'm in Florida now, and last 10 years I'm in US. Mostly, yeah, I was living in Florida, then moved to North Carolina, then back to Florida. Love this place. But originally from Belarus, guys. Michael's like father. I mean, like, yes. Like, seriously, guys. Raised in Florida, next to Cocoa Beach. Melbourne, if you know this, is like 40 minutes away from Orlando. And 2 hours away from West Palm Beach. Actually, yeah, 2 hours, I guess. We used to drive to Dania Beach. From my house, it was less than 3 hours with my husband driving. Gold Shrine. I keep my eyes on gold and IntraTraders, and nothing is going on so far. Sebastian. Oh, I know where it is, by the way. Someone asked what copier I use. I use Replikanto, but guys, I'm testing another one. Just testing so far, but I will keep you updated. Replikanto works just perfect for me, but I would like to get something else so I can trade on Mac as well, not only on my PC. 14. I mean, 14 feels like it's completely different there in Belarus or North Carolina, for example. Like, seriously. -1. I remember when I was a kid, we were going to school with my sister. It was negative, like -30 degrees. -30 degrees. I wish I really like enjoy snowboarding, guys. We used to do this with my husband when we didn't have kids. So it was like a long time ago. I don't trade Topstep. I trade Lucid, Tradify, TPT, Epix, Funded Next. Funding 6 closed my accounts because of inactivity yesterday. That's it. -20 soon? Oh my god. That's crazy. I mean, I'm not going to lie. I like cold weather. I like cold weather more than like hot weather. But my kids and husband, not at all. Alpha futures are next, I mean, like in January 1st. I decided to not buy them until this January, just will buy next year. Like basically next week. Everyone closed accounts due to inactivity rule, like inactivity, right? But I didn't trade funding ticks for 7 days. Yesterday was last day. I didn't realize this, and I got email around like 5 p.m. Your accounts closed because of inactivity rule. My husband from Belarus, but he lives here from 2003 or 2002. Why not to trade my funded futures? Because I don't work with them anymore. Lucid, well, Project X closing doors for every single prop firm, I guess, next month. So far, I believe you can buy Project X, but you will not be able to soon, probably. Oh, you cannot anymore. No. Lucid does not accept Project X anymore. On the TradeAway, Ninja Trader, you can trade on Quant Tower if you want, like basically rhythmic data connection. It's not me, my bad. Your bot working well. I prefer Ninja Trader, of course. I don't know. I'm not fan of TradeAway. I don't know why people trade TradeAway when like overall interface better on Ninja Trader. Can be short. I mean, my original plan was a little bit different. Both yes Nikkei broke above New York midnight open. It was kind of bullish sign for me. But see, I'm not on short because I'm not quite sure. So let's wait for better price action. Chris said, ICT, thanks for your teachings on market structure. Yes, it was one of the best videos, but best of the best was Bridge Builder. I really enjoyed this video. Bridge Builder on ICT YouTube channel. Perfect video. Highly recommend to watch this. Yeah, I know, like, when I'm trying to compare TradeAway and Ninja Trade, like, no comparison. Like Ninja Trader obviously better. Even on my phone, when I'm trading like Asia, I don't trade TradeAway. I connect this to TradingView. I cannot deal with TradeAway. Bridge Builder video, I'm going to send you link. It's on ICT YouTube channel about measuring gap and breakaway gap. Bridge Builder. Here we go. It's not short video, but worth to watch. Here's a video. What else I like most? Core content, especially months 4 and 7. Yeah, of course, you can connect your TradeAway to TradingView. Of course. Midnight price video. It's going to be probably next week, because this week I'm going to record video about I'm going to do review on prop firms. Yeah, like, you can do this always. All you need to do, just go to TradingView, click trading panel here, TradeAway, enter your login, username, and password. So far we're sitting with 2 trades, and both times with 4 micros, which is actually cool. Total means I traded 4 TradeFis and 10 Lucid accounts, 5 funded, 5 evals. 14 accounts, $500 each. Some like more, almost 600, but whatever. So how I can, well, normally for me personally, how I consider measuring gap? Measuring gap normally forms at the middle of implied range. What do you mean by implied range? Range that I can expect to get. Also, these fair value gaps usually, once again, at the middle, not after we got smart money reversal, so basically not at the top or bottom. It's at the middle of implied range that you expect to get, and it's large range fair value gap. For example, can I say it can be measuring gap? Technically, yes, if I can expect to get previous day low level. What this means? If we are going to get closure with displacement, what we can do? We can pull projection from this high to low this fair value gap, And projection, basically entire measuring move, is going to be right below previous day low level. Normally, you'll notice when projected move lines up with levels you expect to get based on implied range. That's most likely is going to be measuring gap. So for example, it still has 12 seconds, right? Let's see if it's going to close. But if it's going to close, most likely it's going to be measuring gap. And we can drop to previous day low level. Also, if not mistaken, ICT mentioned that he prefers to see this fair value gap as open fair value gap. But according to my observation, sometimes we can test 25%. If it's bearish fair value gap, we can test range below 50% of this fair value gap. It still can be measuring gap. So far, can I say it's measuring gap? Ideally, yes. We took London low, but projection lines up with previous day low level. This means there is a chance to go there. I'm on 3-minute chart. I cannot be bullish as long as it's below New York midnight open. Like always for me, that's more bearish side. If ICT is still here, he can probably correct me about measuring gap. But I believe, like, I explained this right. Not sure if he's still here or not, but you got my point. Right? Okay. But this is something that I didn't want to get, honestly. I wanted to see a bit higher since we broke above New York midnight open. But once again, that's perfectly fine to flip the bias when your key level was broken. Can you explain your yeah, of course. I basically took 2 trades. It was first trade short and another short. So idea was, I mentioned this, I'm not sure if you watched me yesterday or Ninja Trader or Tradify, but I mentioned this before. Most of the time you will see gold offer setups, not setups, entry. Setup can be formed before, but entry between 8:20 and 8:25, basically at market open for gold, 8:20 a.m. And it's not because like it was set up at 8:20 a.m., but since we traced back to premium and it offered potential hourly sweep, let me show you. 1 second. See the sweep here on hourly? In order to confirm the sweep, I need to use 5-minute chart and find order block. Order block was offered here. I want to enter the open of next candle, but instead I entered the test of fair value gap. My TP wasn't 2R. My TP was balance of hourly fair value gap. So basically bottom of fair value gap. And as you can see, I closed there. But normally it tends to retest New York midnight open if it did not trade between 3 and 7 a.m. So we actually traded 3:45, but feels like I would like to see one more retest. It's still too early. And I was looking for a New York midnight open, and another confirmation was 2R for this trade was right above New York midnight open. So what I saw, it was able to stay inside this 5-minute fair value gap. We started displacing, and I said once we will displace, I will enter short. It was original plan. Start displacing. You can enter here basically at order block. It's exactly the same entry. I put my stop loss over here, enter it here, like 8-point stop loss. And I was aiming for basically 2R for initial trade. I took like some off at 1R and I left the rest to final TP. I hope it makes sense. You plan to enter short, where's your target at this point? See, we pretty much swept New York midnight open, so probably it's not a great idea for shorts for me personally yet. So if I want to short, I don't want to be first seller just yet. I would like to wait for the break below New York midnight open, then short. But right now I wouldn't short, I guess. I would try to wait for some retracement up. I think so. Let's check silver, guys. See silver, guys? Another confirmation why I don't want to short this. So silver trying to respect our fair value gap. What I would like to get for confirmation? Probably inversion, right? Can inversion be enough? I guess so. And I would like to look for longs higher. So basically first TP is top of hourly fair value gap, final TP weekly open. But I'm not sure about targets on gold. On Lucid? Okay, Jessica. I have, I guess, all types. I have Flex. I have Lucid Direct. So Flex still vals, because as you can see, I cannot have Flex, 5 Direct straight to funded. I cannot have 10 funded. So I still trading my straight to funded, and that's perfectly fine, just has consistency rule. But I'm still trying to pass my Flex plan accounts. Flex plan definitely better because it has no buffer, but funded next futures pretty much the same in my opinion, because they have, as Lucid, they have one-time evaluation fee plus I guess no buffer and rapid, right? Challenge. So they're pretty much the same. I would say pick that cost less. Because Flex, Rapid Challenge, and Funded Next Futures, yeah, they're pretty much the same. So consider price. For this. We're gonna compare right now. Funded Next and Lucid. Yeah, I'm just trying, just trying to compare firms right now. Here. See, pretty much the same. Even price pretty close. Not huge difference. Only difference like VPN and bots trading allowed. You don't really need this, right? Minimum payout better, obviously, on Funded Next. Gonna check now. Can I pick 2? No, just 1, okay. Yeah, I mean, I would say you need to decide what you would like to get from these accounts. Because Lucid Flex and Rapid Challenge and Funded Next, as I said before, pretty much the same. What a chop, guys. You know what is nice? You know what is nice? We traded gold. Like, seriously, guys. Try this 1 minute short. 1 minute short. What do... 1 minute short. I never ever used 1 minute chart on gold. On indices, I kind of don't mind to see previous day low level taken on ES, but even with this, I don't see any good entry for this yet. It's 1 minute chart. What do you see on 1 minute chart? I'm gonna open 5. Because on 5, I see nothing that's worth to try. I mean, long trade here. I don't see any. Would like to drink some water. 1 second, I'm going to be in my water. By the way, how do you like my costume, guys? It's so cool, right? Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah. 1 second. More Santa now. Alan, you aiming for previous day low? I don't mind to see previous day low level. See this? We tested, it was able to stay below 50%. Should go to previous day low level. I hope so. See? Where did you... I guess, but yeah. If I will decide... Can it be entry? Like that? I said before, if it really wants to be breakaway gap, probably I would like to get something like this. Alan entered 46, you got nice inch, pretty much where I highlighted. For value gap, And even stop loss at the right place. Yeah, Alan, your idea is textbook for me. Thank you, guys. And you a bit broke above this level, but I don't like, I mean, I don't mind to see higher. I mean, lower. Come on, Dasha, learn how to speak, please. I kind of like short here. I know. I feel like I'm going to overtrade if I'm going to trade again. I cannot call this, by the way, A+ setup. Kind of not A+ setup, but definitely like it. It's okay, it's 5-minute chart. Let me compare micro yes and 3-minute chart. We didn't get... Yeah, it looks a bit different. This candle looks different. It's just like B setup, maybe B+, considering the idea of measuring gap, right? On Apex accounts, maybe it's worth it. Let's see. That's all I have, guys. Other accounts are green. Only Apex flat. I'm serious right now. I don't have any other trades. I mean, any trades on Apex still. We will see. Maybe I'm going to just read the tape. But definitely looks good. Probably going to read the tape, guys. Just going to read the tape here. Price is pushing higher on the 5-minute chart at the last feed earning queue. They're in balance at the top of the of the week. And price is just a daily imbalance. You know, I mean, I'm perfectly fine with longs. No complaints about this. I would say for longs, I just would like to see longs above New York midnight open. That's it. We have some SMT right now, right? Cut my finger. Going to forward test is not perfect for me. Does not have. It actually has some modes, but maybe they're on vacation. I don't know. They disappeared this week. Short gold below New York midnight open can be a nice idea. Just quick drop to London low probably, but stop loss not sure. Where to put stop loss, seriously. I mean, I don't really need to have mod because I don't really have haters on my chat. I don't know why, but that's maybe good. No one wants to hate me for some reason. Now I'm going to tell you something right now. Like, I definitely have haters for no reason once again. But most my haters, it's going to be funny right now. Russian-speaking people. No idea why. Yeah, it's antisuit. Just Russian-speaking people. Under my comments, under my videos, hate from Russian-speaking. Yeah, guys, swear to the God. I know why. Seriously. $7.92. Oh yeah, I would say I cannot say like I'm really bearish or bullish now. I'm just eating the tape. I'm not on the street. Yeah, normal. I mean, like, I'm okay with hate. I never react on it, and highly recommend to ignore this to everyone as well. I'm just saying, like, I don't really have haters, as you can see in the chat, for example, like overall. But if I have, it's 90% of the time Russian-speaking people. Without glasses, I'm blind. MMXM only, where were you? Where were you yesterday? I was waiting for you during PM session. You left me? No, I'm just reading the tape. I already got 2 wins today. Just let's read the tape. This is what I would like to get. Maybe it's going to my mental trade. An interest in my mind. You had an accident? What kind of accident? Today giveaway? Yeah, let's do giveaway, of course. It's not going to stay close? Maybe. Super shot. Are you kidding me? We didn't check SPX today. Let's see what we have on SPX. SPX trying to break below 70.5%. Oh my god. What did you do? What did you do during holiday? Just the boy stuff, okay. Right now it looks honestly not great. Bike accident? Oh my god. Well, let's hit the like, let's do some giveaways. Gold already play out today, so no, it's around time to trade gold, I guess. And it's really fun to trade gold after 10. Especially after 10:30. You know what good things is? No? Share with us? Because, okay, gold moves well during pre-market because market opens during pre-market. So during PM session, especially like after 10:30, it's already slow, low volume price action. We don't have any news for gold that really moves the market, even at 10. So most moves happen during pre-market and until 10. So I call this, you know, for me personally, we have 2 power hours for market, for regular market for indices between 9 and 10, or 9:30, 10:30, and for 3 and 4 p.m. But for gold, it's between 8 and 9. At 10, we can get continuation, but that's pretty much it. You're trying to pass your USD 150k for over 50 trades. That's perfectly fine. Take your time. It's one-time evaluation fee. It's perfect. Once again, you need to try to pass your evals fast. You need to practice on these evals, right? I lost my funding 6 yesterday. Not going to buy new evals. I didn't even realize. I know why I didn't remember for this. They have an activity rule, like 7 days. But it is what it is. Yeah, most action happens before 10, like 99% of the time. Straight to funded? Personally recommend, since I trade them, Tradify and Lucid. But you need to keep in mind that you are going to have consistency rule. 20-25%. On Tradify, this consistency rule like grows. It's 20, 25, 30%, which is by the way nice. But normally it's between 20 and 30% on straight to funded. This means you cannot make a lot. You cannot make like $300, $500, and then suddenly make 5K. So you're going to break this rule. 50 bucks off? I didn't know about this, by the way. 5 straight to fund. Yeah, I'm also with straight to funded. Like, I like it. TPT has consistency rule only on evaluation. On funded, no. You're very welcome. 5 days to trade. I believe so, yeah. Didn't pass TPT for a long time, but I believe yes. I'm gonna check for you. 5 days. 5 days to trade. It's not really bad for me. You know, I prefer vals lately because when we have BS price action, but I would really want to try to trade something, I trade evaluation accounts. So happy we are not on this trade simply because I'm not a fan of sitting inside consolidation. No, we didn't do giveaway yet, but we can actually do. 1 second. Let me see which accounts I can share with you guys today. Don't remember which I have. Let's do flex. Yeah, flex for giveaway. I don't trade in Q, I trade TS, but my favorite time frame is 3 and 5 minute charts. I execute 99.9999% of the time there. Good morning, you late today. How are you? There's a traded today twice. And here's my mental trade. I entered the short in my mind. Because pretty much I took trade on every single account I have except Epics. I cannot say ES is better than NQ or NQ is better than ES. It's personal preference. For me personally, ES is easier. Psychologically, mentally easier. Yeah, Alan, still valid short in my humble opinion. I don't have this kind of videos, how to scale yet, but it's a great idea actually. Let me take a screenshot of it. Screenshot. So because I can forget. Gold, nice drop should happen once we break below New York midnight open to aim for London low. I use only order blocks for my entries. Sometimes, but almost never, inversion fair value gaps. Which plan? I guess the most basic one. I'm not sure. It's like pro or the first one actually. So guys, if you want to enter giveaway, click link in the chat. And we are going to do 3 50k Lucid Flex accounts. So it's my new. Remember, I'm doing giveaways on my website. So you need to sign up for giveaway and you will receive email once you won account. So guys, sign up and wish you good luck. Let me actually pin this message so everyone can enter giveaway. Guys, if you're new, you need to confirm your email. Just go to your mailbox. I know what to use, Gmail or what to use. Just confirm your email. It can be in your spam folder. Just confirm once if you didn't this before. So it will ask you just once, and just to make sure you're not bot, you're not like spam or something like this, like you're a real person. You just need to confirm your email. So guys, giveaway is going to be for the next 15 minutes. So I'm doing 350k flex evaluation accounts. It's going to be completely free for you guys. So once you won, you don't need to pay any activation fee, any evaluation fee. Completely free for you. See pin message in the chat, guys. Sign up. If you confirm and register last time, your giveaway form is going to be pre-filled. So basically, almost filled for you. Yeah, got 2 W's today. No complaints. I'm going to announce winners at 11:01. 15 minutes and 14 minutes. Yeah, guys, register on website. Register on website as well. More cool stuff is coming. I'm going to do a quick review on this website later. So, let's see outfit. I already showed this before. People said, like, don't do this anymore. So sorry about this. FX replay. I guess I should have. You can try to use code Lumi, I guess, for FX replay. You verified your email, so I guess you would. You fill the form, right? First name, last name, email, YouTube username, country. If you did so, so you're good to go. So just wait for until 11 and I will announce winners. That's pretty much it. This giveaways is going to be pretty much daily, every week. So it's going to be outside streams as well. Oh, you're good to go then. Silver really trying to bounce. Yeah, nothing is going on so far. So guys, if you would like to participate in giveaway for 50k Lucid Flex account, click the pinned message in the chat and fill the form. Interesting. Look at the ES. ES made new low again while NQ failed, and we still have SMT. I didn't delete this since I'm not in this trade. Silver doesn't look bad for continuation higher. Which time frame is this? 5-minute chart. We got hourly sweep, alright. Where's 2R based on entry? Where's the entry here, right? Let me check gold. See, gold keeps sweeping this New York midnight open. After you enter giveaway, just wait until 11. I will announce winners. Yeah, it's boring. It is what it is. Oh, look at this. We trace back to 50% of this fair value gap. We have SMT. Yeah, guys, let's end the giveaway because nothing is going on so far on, I would say, everywhere. Doo-doo-doo. Let me keep my chart clean. I don't need Asia high anymore. Going to leave New York midnight open only. We broke about 50%, so obviously it's an validation of margin gap. Let's see if it's going to offer another attempt to break above New York midnight open. We didn't really get RTH gap on SPX before. We're still trying to respect OT. It was trying to break, which was great sign for shorts, but didn't really close. Yesterday in New York midnight open. I guess it's higher, right? Yeah. I guess we're asking too much because it's huge. Huge. Huge move up. Guys, 6 more minutes to enter giveaway and we are going to be done. I'm going to announce winners. 6 more minutes to enter giveaway. See pinned message in the chat. People want to short in discount. Yeah. Sometimes it's really cool, by the way, to trade continuations. I'm gonna check for you. I see you, you in the chat, so don't worry about this. You entered. Hello, hello. Guys, 3 more minutes to enter giveaway and I will announce winners. Na na na. Oops. So a bit choppy, honestly, don't see a lot yet. And keep trying to break above New York pin and open back to original plan, I guess. Wish you perfect the rest of the day as well. Okay. You cannot enter anymore. Oh, you have 40 more seconds, guys, to enter giveaway. 40 more seconds to enter giveaway. Don't say only. You have more chances. Yeah, new system for giveaways, that's really cool. One second, guys. 1 second. Okay, guys, going to pick 3 winners now. Pick now. So our first winner, I'm not sure if is going to send this in. I'm going to just send winners like this. Oops. So tell me if you're here, just to say perfect, congratulations to you. You won an account. Congratulations, I'm going to send you email. Yeah, congratulations. Just to make sure you're here, you don't need to say it's me, blah, blah, blah. I don't need your email since I have your email, just to make sure. Okay, second winner. Our second winner is you. Misspelled my name again. Once again, I don't need your email, just congratulations, you won account. It's your congratulations, you won account. And last winner for today, pick now. Our winner is... I hope I'm going to create a bot that's going to send this in the chat. So winners will receive emails. I hope right after Steam, but maybe a bit later today. So you won accounts. You won 50k Lucid Flex accounts. So congratulations. So once again, new system for giveaways is going to be... Let me move a little bit. I'm going to show you now. It's going to be on my website, guys, funded.now. It's going to be completely new system for giveaways. So this giveaways is going to be pretty much every single day, every single week. So you will find these giveaways in this tab, giveaways. And once I will do giveaway, you will see what kind of accounts I'm doing. So actually you can check daily if we have giveaway or not. You can just enter giveaway if you still have option for this, time for this. So for now, as you can see, no more giveaways, but once I will have giveaway, you can check daily if you want, or I'm going to announce this on my social media. you will see what kind of accounts I'm doing for giveaway. So quick review for this website. If you would like to pick prop firm, you can compare prop firm. You can use smart comparison if you want, if you're trying to pick a specific prop firm for your needs. Or you can just scroll down. You will find smart match here. You can click. You can pick prop firm and according to your budget. For example, my budget is like starter budget. I just started. I'm beginner. I'm the trader, for example. I would like to have easy to pass. For me, it's important, like no special requirements. I'm in the United States. You can pick your country. So cheapest prop firm so far, and it gives you options. For example, it's up to you what you want to pick. Once again, you can scroll down to see best deals that we have so far, right? Once again, smart match. You can check challenges, prices for each challenge, 25K, 50K, 100K, and so on. You can once again compare firm to firm. For example, you want to compare Apex and let's say take Profit Trader, and you can compare. And you will try to pick what works better for you, right? Also, I have Pro Tools here, Essential Trading Tools. You can scroll all the way down. You'll find calculators here. So I created several calculators. It's lot size calculator. So you can pick, you can use this for calculating contract size if you cannot do this in your mind, for example. Just once again, you have 150K account. Your daily loss limit $3,750. I want to risk, let's say, $500. I'm trading NQ. I cannot trade NQ, as you can see, according to this risk. I can trade 25 points. I can trade 10 micros or 1 MNQ. If I'm going to risk 25 points, it's like, once again, up to you. Pick instrument for this. Another perfect tool here is Drawdown Simulator. So basically, it shows you the difference between end of the day drawdown and intraday trading drawdown. So you can play with settings here if you want. Like enter whatever you like. It will show you the difference, once again, between intraday trading drawdown and end of the day drawdown. Just for educational purposes, you're trying to learn about the difference, and it will show you the difference. And last one, consistency rule calculator. I guess best calculator I ever created. So, for example, which one I would like to show you? Let's do Tradify Select Plan. So you can enter P&L, your daily P&L, and to see how much you need to make more to meet consistency rule. And so on. So, for example, you see I took 1 loss, 4 wins, my win rate 80%. So we have 40%. My total balance right now, $1,500. This means so far, according to these rules and 40% consistency rule, I don't need to make any money, additional money to meet consistency rule. So once again, if you would like to try this website, it's completely free for you. All tools completely free, guys. And what I'm trying to say, I'm working on something unique and really helpful for traders. I still need to test this more, but I promise you will like this so much. So more tools are coming, more useful tools are coming. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say, guys. So I guess, congratulations, winners. I will stream. Write the address. Oh, funded that now. Just right above your comment. I will see you guys today at 1 p.m. on Tradify TV. Right now I'm going to record the video about like review of Tradify prop firm. Did you call these tools? Yes, it's all mine, guys. I didn't see a single free tool like that. So I will not be surprised if someone is going to copy this and say, I created this, she copied me. So like typical picture. So guys, I will see you at 1 p.m. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the stream. See you in 2 hours on Tradify TV. Don't make stupid trades, guys. Right now, quite choppy. So take a break, relax, and let's try to trade PM session together, guys. See you in 2 hours. Bye, everyone.